How to perform the kettlebell sit-up to press. Starting position. 1. Lie on your back on an exercise mat. 2. Knees are bent with heels and toes flat on the mat, or hold one kettlebell at your chest. Handle vertical or horizontal, with both hands gripping it securely. 4. Engage your core, brace your abs, and keep your lower back gently pressing into the mat. Execution. 1. Sit-up phase. Initiate a controlled sit-up by engaging your core and curling your spine up off the mat. Keep the kettlebell tight to your chest as you sit all the way up so your torso is vertical. 2. Press phase. Once seated upright, press the kettlebell overhead. Extend your arms fully so the kettlebell is now over your head, with arms pointing straight to the sky. Keep your spine tall and avoid leaning back. 3. Return phase. Lower the kettlebell back to your chest. Slowly reverse the sit-up motion to return to the starting position. 4. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Muscles worked. During the sit-up phase, rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscles, obliques, especially for stabilization, hip flexors, help lift your torso, iliopsoas. During the overhead press phase, deltoids, shoulders, primarily anterior deltoid, triceps, elbow extension, serratus anterior, stabilizes scapula, upper traps and rotator cuff muscles, stabilize the shoulder joint, core muscles continue to stabilize throughout, supporting muscles, erector spinae, spine stabilizers during the sit-up and seated posture, latissimus dorsi, for shoulder stabilization during the press, glutes and hamstrings, slight activation for pelvic stabilization. Tips for safe and effective execution. Use a light to moderate kettlebell, especially if you're new to the movement. Don't let your lower back arch excessively when pressing overhead. Keep your core engaged throughout. This is as much a core stability movement as it is strength. Move with control to avoid using momentum or risking shoulder strain. Please check my next video.